So you're thinking about entering the cryptocurrency market and turning Bitcoin into fiat currency. You know the drill. Folks who got in on the ground floor were able to cash out for millions by waiting for prices to rise before selling. Maybe you know people who mine cryptocurrencies for a living. No one enters the Bitcoin industry without the intention of becoming wealthy, yet not everyone succeeds in this endeavor. Because they lack essential knowledge, many people either lose money or give up before they succeed with cryptocurrencies. The blockchain and cryptocurrency sector is just getting started. When the value of crypto assets rises, more people are attracted to the sector. These newcomers are constantly looking for methods to profit from cryptocurrency. The good news is that Bitcoin offers a wide variety of opportunities for financial gain. The number of startups, developers, and social media posts related to the Bitcoin business have all increased steadily since 2011. Can you make money with cryptocurrency in 2022? Yes, you can make money with cryptocurrency. Given the inherent volatility of crypto assets, most involve a high degree of risk while others require domain knowledge or expertise. Trading cryptocurrencies is one of the answers to how to make money with cryptocurrency. Although the daily average volume of cryptocurrency trades is just 1% of the foreign exchange market, there is a lot of volatility in the crypto market. So there is the potential to do short-term trades. Likewise, there are a host of crypto buying platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Robinhood, so you have plenty of options when it comes to making money with crypto. Essentially, there are quite a few methods for you to make legitimate money with cryptocurrencies, other than the obvious way of trading. Let's take a look at 6 strategies for how to make money with cryptocurrency. But before we deep dive, and make sure to like and subscribe, only pay for life-changing content. 6 strategies for making money with crypto. If you are wondering how to earn money with cryptocurrency, look no further. Strategies for making money with crypto rely on 3 mechanisms. Firstly, you can invest or trade in the crypto exchange market. You can do this without owning any crypto yourself, like investing in gold on the stock market. Secondly, you can use the coin you already own to stake and lend coins to the system or other users. Thirdly, you can participate in the blockchain system by mining or receiving coin rewards for work done in the system. Based on these 3 mechanisms, here are the 6 strategies for making money with cryptocurrency. Investing, trading, staking and lending, crypto social media, mining, airdrops and forks. Let's get deep dive into each topics. 1. Investing. Investing is the long-term strategy of buying and holding crypto assets for some time. Crypto assets are generally well suited to a buy and hold strategy. They are extremely volatile in the short term, but have tremendous long-term potential for growth. The investing strategy requires you to identify more stable assets that will be around for the long term. Assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have been known to show a long-term price increase and can be considered a safe investment in this regard. 2. Trading. While investing is a long-term endeavor based on the buy and hold strategy, trading is meant to exploit short-term opportunities. The crypto market is volatile. This means the prices of assets can increase and decrease in price dramatically over the short term. To be a successful trader, you need to have the proper analytical and technical skills. You'll need to analyze market charts on the performance of the listed assets so that you can make accurate predictions about price increases and decreases. When trading, you can either take a long or short position, depending on whether you expect the price of an asset to rise or fall. This means you can make a profit regardless of whether the crypto market is bullish or bearish. 3. Staking and lending. Staking is a way of validating crypto transactions. If you are staking, you own coins, but you don't spend them. Instead, you lock the coins in a cryptocurrency wallet. A proof-of-stake network then uses your coins to validate transactions. You receive rewards for doing so. In essence, you are lending coins to the network. This allows the network to maintain its security and verify transactions. The reward you receive is similar to the interest a bank would pay you for a credit balance. The proof-of-stake algorithm chooses transaction validators based on the number of coins you have committed to stake. This makes it much more energy efficient than crypto mining and does not require you to own expensive hardware. 4. Crypto social media. Multiple blockchain-based social media platforms will reward you for creating and curating content. You are often rewarded with the native coin of the platform. 5. Mining. Cryptocurrency mining is how to earn money with cryptocurrency like the original pioneers. Mining is still a crucial component of the proof-of-work mechanism. It is where the value of a cryptocurrency is generated. If you mine a cryptocurrency, you are rewarded with new coins. To mine, you need technical expertise and upfront investment in specialized hardware. Running a masternode as a subset of mining, it requires expertise and significant upfront and ongoing investment. 6. Airdrops and forks. Airdrops and free tokens are distributed to generate awareness. An exchange might do an airdrop to create a large user base for a project. Being part of an airdrop can get you a free coin that you can then use to buy things or to invest or trade. A blockchain forks because of changes or upgrades in a protocol that create new coins. If you hold coins on the original chain, you will typically get free tokens on the new network. This means you get a free coin because you were in the right place at the right time. Is it too late to make money with cryptocurrencies? Not at all. It is still very early in this asset class. There will undoubtedly be innovations in the crypto space that we cannot even imagine right now. These new directions will most likely provide even more ways to make money with cryptocurrencies. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one.